And here you have it. One of my subscribers was able to actually raise their credit score without lifting a finger, having multiple negatives removed from their credit report. Having bad credit has to be the most expensive thing you can have. I'm telling you. If you have bad credit right now, you are running the risk of having high interest rates, causing you to pay $200, $300, $400, $500 over the actual ticket price that is required, denials, you're getting inquiries upon inquiries because you can't get actually approved for anything. The list goes on and on. And I know, trust me, I get it. You don't have time to actually learn the credit game inside and out. You need an actual alternative. These step-by-step tutorials, it's just a lot for you right now. Well, don't worry, I promise you, I got you. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can raise your credit score without lifting a finger and having it on autopilot. So go ahead, go get your pen and paper. I promise you, I'll wait right here. And without further ado, let's dive in. All right, ladies and gents, and before we actually get started, I wanna ask if you don't mind hitting that like button for me, as it helps my channel out a ton. I really appreciate all your support. I'm really trying to help as many people as I can to raise their credit scores. Now, enough of me rambling, let's actually get into this actual credit information. All right, guys, so I'm bringing you a brand new program, which is the How to Credit Restoration Program. Yes, from me personally. This is a program where I, again, personally helping all of my subscribers get results just like this. And I wanna help you get the same exact thing. For the past couple of years, I've been helping people and also learning the credit reporting system, consumer law, factual disputing, Metro 2, the list goes on and on. So I know how taxing and complicated it is to remove negatives from people's credit reports. Not to mention all of this different information that's scattered across all social media platforms telling you to do it this way, do it that way. Even me having videos like that, I know this can make the average person's head just go explode. So let's start from the beginning. In this program, I will start you off with a free, not paid, a free consultation where I will go over some of the inaccuracies that you have on your credit report to see if you actually qualify for the program. And no, when I say qualify, I don't mean you have to be special or anything of that nature. What I mean is I'm not in this space to take advantage of anybody. If I look on your credit report and you have 2 collections there and it says you owe $30 each or something like that, I'm not accepting you. I'm just gonna give you the information of what you need to remove this off of your credit report without paying money. Unless you literally tell me, no, I've tried to do this, it didn't work, I want you to take care of it. So if you insist, then yes, I will accept you. But again, I'm not trying to take advantage of anybody. Now, the only thing that I require that you have for this actual 15-minute consultation is to have a fresh and new MYFREESCORENOW credit report. The reason why I'm asking for that one is due to them really showing everything on your credit report. They are literally hiding nothing. Because I know certain credit monitoring systems that they only show a select few of information on your file, but with MYFREESCORENOW, I've actually seen a pattern where it's super easy to follow. Next, once you get started and you get accepted, you will have complete access to your own special portal, and it even comes with an app. So you'll be able to see everything from your phone. No need to always go to a computer. Now, in that portal, you will actually see your updated credit report each and every month, and also I'm going to give you progress reports throughout each and every month, giving you credit updates. I'm going to actually text you and email you, letting you know about credit raises, the removal of negatives. The list goes on and on. I like to stay active with all of my subscribers and clients when I actually get with them and actually remove negatives off their credit report. So this isn't your ordinary credit repair company where you never hear from them unless you call and ask like, hey, what's going on? Or anything of that nature. Trust me, I went down that road. I hated it. I didn't get anything changed. It was a horrible experience. So I wanted to make sure that this program was nothing of a sort and it actually exceeds everybody's expectations. Now, with the dispute process, I'm utilizing all strategies to actually remove your negatives specifically. It doesn't matter if it's a collection, a charge-off, late payment, bankruptcy, all of these negatives will be attacked differently. There's not going to be no generic letters being sent out to these credit bureaus allowing the e-Oscar system to flag it and have it thrown out. And also, if you don't know what eOscar is, don't worry, I'm gonna explain all of that in your free 15-minute consultation that I'm gonna give you. I promise you. But with all that being said, recently I've been able to help subscribers get 40, 50, 60, 100-point increases alone just by removing massive amounts of negatives from their credit file. Some removals have been quick, but others are coming with time. Now, am I telling you you're gonna wake up tomorrow and have an 800 credit score? No, I would never tell you that. I like to keep it real with everyone. It is a process and everybody's file is different. If it took you 5 years to accumulate $100,000 worth of negatives on your credit report, it's gonna take a second to remove them sometimes. Even with the luxury of having your negatives removed, I also provide you strategies on how you're going to raise your credit report all at the same time. As far as details in specific credit products I want you to get, what to do with them, eliminating debt, and even more. So this is not only a credit restoration program, but a finance manager as well. 2 for the price of 1. Even with all that information, no, I'm not going to tell you to send off any letters, talk to any agencies. I'm going to take care of all that. And just to let you know, if any of you thinking, no, I'm not going to tell you to send off any letters, talk to any agencies, anything of that nature, I take care of all of that. The only thing I need you to do is upload your responses from the credit bureaus, the secondary bureaus, and even the secret bureaus that people aren't even talking about on YouTube. Yes, I go after those as well. Only thing you have to do is upload all the documents to the app, and that is exactly it. Also, the program is consistently giving out on the regular emails and text messages that is going to tailor to your credit report, giving you reminders, tips and tricks, and everything that you need to do to continuously raise your credit score while I'm trying to restore it at the same time. And again, with the progress reports that I'm going to give out, this is just to keep you engaged. I like to let everybody know that this is a partnership. I handle the big tasks like all the negatives. You tackle the other issues that only you can control, aka adding positives. But don't worry, I promise you I'm gonna give you all the answers to the test when it comes to actually tackling and raising everything on your credit profile, aka again, giving you tips, tricks, reminders, and things of that nature, I promise you. So if you're trying to actually get a home next year, a car, trying to access business funding, then this is the program for you. I want to make sure that credit is never an issue for you ever again. I want to help you achieve your financial goals. I want this to be the stepping stone. Only thing that you're going to have to do is click the link in my bio and get started with a free 15-minute consultation with me. And I will break down everything in depth for you. So again, if you click the link in my bio, you'll be able to get the free 15-minute consultation with me, and I will break everything down in detail for you. No need for you to actually worry. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. Now stop stalling so you can go ahead and get this 800 credit score so you can go get that car or that house you want, all right? And until next time, ladies and gents.